Okay, good evening basketball fans. Welcome na po sa Saturday Basketball Night Action po tayo sa ating Aviation Friendly Doubles Flying League. Third season na po tayo. Featuring teams of course, clad in red. Mga Marooners po yan. State University Colors po. Yan po ang contact share. Dito lang po, ang clad po in white po yan. Clad in white po tayo. Yan po ang Airport United. Good evening po sila po kasabing G-Vlog si Ju. And J-Show host with you. And also, it's game night tonight po tayo ngayon para sa placing na po sa ating quarterfinal slots between, of course, Contact Center versus Airport United. Okay, just now, calling all the players to start preparing now and your warm-up and also final ano po ng mga coaches, respected coaches po. And we'll start later po ngayon sa ating Airport United versus Contact Center. First game tonight sa ating basketball live, basketball action. Maraming salamat po. And also of course, bago tayo magsimula, hanap buhay muna po tayo. Okay, ito po ang Aviation Friendly Doubles Flying League. Third season na po tayo. Live po tayo sa Newton International School in Doha. We'd like to thank the following sponsors. Team LBC, hari ng padala. And of course, Thread and Needles Tailoring. Sa ating mga uniform fans, handog po ng Thread and Needles po yan. And of course, SBB Philippines for keeping the game in a neat and orderly fashion. At PSBQ Basketball League. Abayin niyo po ang kanilang papayos po every Tuesday night po yan at the purling season International School in Doha. Ito po ang first game for tonight is Airport United versus Contact Center and followed by of course QR Towers and Gas or General Aviation Services. Maraming salamat po and ito po tayo yun. Clad in Marooners po yan or State University Colors po. Yan po ang Contact Center. Dito lang po clad in white po yan. Ayan po naman ang Airport United. Ito po, and we're just waiting down for a basketball action for tonight and also for the opening whistle po. Care po ng mga referees po ng SPB Doha chapter for keeping the game in a neat and orderly fashion. Maraming salamat po and let's game ball. Game ball po tayo yun. Eric, wala siyang uniforme? May uniforme? Wala siyang uniforme? Aman. Oh. Wala ko naman amin ko, no? Wala ko naman amin ko. Yung tinira ni Velasco. Yung Hail Mary shot niya.
Ito, kailangan namin Velasco.
Oh.
Yung
Mekaniko. Los Hermanos yun.
Ano?
Yung Green Boys, yung Los Hermanos. Pinanalo ni Velasco yung laro nila. Oo, lamang na sila eh. Yung Hermanos, hinabol lang nila. Bigla mami, ang pag doon.
Pero bago yung ito yung wala ko na. Yun ako. Nalala mo ba?
Hindi, yung mukha mo. Pag-net lang. Okay, boss. Okay, let's game po tayo. It's game ball po tayo yun. It's game ball. Contact Center versus QR Towers. Ay, Contact Center versus Airport United. Ano ba yan? Patay ko, medyo nani yung utak ko. Okay, Arif. Contact Center clad in red or Marooners colors po yan versus ito po ang Airport United. Clad in white and blue combination. Parang baseball motif po yan. Yung mga ganyang mga motif. Okay, final instruction na being given out to the players now before we start the game. Ika po, let's get it on. Sabi ng mga referees po sa boxing. Okay, ito na po tayo yung mga boss. Let's get it on. Okay, si Jervis Armando is watching. Sa ating mga kapatid natin Muslim dyan, maraming salamat po. And of course, ika nga po, advance aid po sa inyo and also belated Ramadan. blessed month of Ramadan sa ating mga kapatid natin Muslim dyan. And also, Eid Mubarak po sa inyo po lahat po. Thank you po. Okay, first quarter action, si Barantes, si Soliano, yung kanilang guest player, si Eric at si Kalilong. Sa kabila na po si Roy, of course si Roy, si Orense, si number 10, si Bacchiano at si number 24. Ayan. Let's go now. Let's start now this ball game. Okay. O, teka lang. May final na po. Okay. Okay, si Orense nilabas muna ng coach nila. This time, si Mr. number 15 naman ang pinalit. Okay, ito na. First quarter action on the way. Ito na, Barantes. Barantes, stop away from behind. Symbol po muli tayo. Symbol po tayo. Sabi ni Mr. X-Vein Ilaw, shoutout kay Ilaw. Ibian Ilaw, shoutout to siyo Mr. Ilaw. Sino Ilaw niyan? Shoutout po kay Mr. Ilaw, sabi ni Ibian Ilaw. Eric. Barantes, no good. Roy, naka-rebound. Now, Bacchiano, binababa ang bola. Bacchiano, binababa ang bola. Ito po ngayon si Mr. number 15. Number 10, Tingy 3. Nope, ayaw nyo muna. Number 15, Baredo. Now, to number 10, Bacchiano per 3. Ayaw muna nga, binabaten tight. Okay, now number 40, number double Cirado. Roy, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 14. Now, ito po ngayon si Mr. Barantes. Barantes, floater shot. Traveling violation called daw, sabi ng referee. Traveling violation called now by the referee on Mr. Barantes. Again, balik muli po tayo ngayon sa ating contact center na 0-0. Now si Bacchiano pops up for 2. No! It's in! 2 points. Bacchiano, 2 points lang po. Long 2 lang pong ginawa po niya. Long jumper. Number 17, that's Mr. Kalilong. Kalilong to Mr. M. Pops up for 3. No good. Barantes. Secure the ball now to number 0. Villaruz. Pops up for 3. Yes, sirree. Back-to-back field goals na ginapo kagabo ng Batang Contact Center. Kalilong binababa ang bola. Kalilong. Eric lumusot. Mr. M. Eric. Yes, sirree. 2 points, Mr. Eric. 0-0. 0-0 si Villaruz. Roy, what a play and boarding pa. Binanata ni Villaruz. Old school, ha? Another old school player. Kalilong. Barantes. Number 14 for 3. Bang! 14, 3 points. Number 14, 3 points. Okay, ito na po si Villaruz now kay Baredo naman. Pops up for 3. No good. Rebound battle won by Kalilong. Barantes. Stop and pop. Ayaw muna niya. Kumukuha ng mga player po. Kalilong. Now Mr. M again. Mr. M for 3. No good. Rebound by number 14. 24 ng contact center. Yan po yung kanyang back-to-back si Mr. Pilaw. Pilaw again for 3. In line, no good. Rebound naman ni Kalilong. Barantes, sa kalusotang kanyang player. Barantes po ngayon. Barantes, side step po muna now. Eric, Mr. Kalilong driving strong. Malakas. There's a foul called. There's a foul called. Now Kalilong. Number 17, shooting for 2. First shot is good. Second throw, jumpers ready para Mr. Kalilong. Mr. Kalilong, second shot, jumpers ready. Pops up. Okay, both baskets made. Both baskets made, no? Parang may second 7-all po tayo. First deadlock of the game. Belarus, binababa ang bola. Belarus, binababa ang bola ng Belarus. Belarus, now to Pilao. Yung kanilang back-to-back POG po naman nakaraan. Bakiano for 3. No good. And now, nako ni Baredo, nako ni Pilao ang bola. Pilao thinking 3. Yes, sir. It's 3 points. No good. Rebound battle won by Mr. M. Mr. M now clearing the boards now to Barantes. Mr. M driving strong. Pops up for easy 2. 2 points, Mr. M. Number 14, 2 points po tayo. 9-7. First lead now being tasted now by Airport United over Contact Center. And now to Mr. Bakiano against Soliano. Pops up. Boarding pa yan. Sumakay ka pa. 2 points. Bakiano, 2 points. Yung kanang pamilya na pitik na tira. Gumagana ngayon. Barantes. Uy! Didn't go the bounce. Pero meron siyang trip to the line. Barantes shooting for 2. Number 19. Number 19 shooting for 2. Mr. Barantes. Pops up. It's in. Second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Manya po ha. Cass and QR Towers po. Barantes. Second throw. Jumpers ready. It's short. Okay, it's 10-9. 10-9 lang po. 10-9. 5 minutes 45 remaining sa ating first quarter action. Handa-handa niya po yung second lineup po. Maraming salamat po. Okay, 0-0. Belarus. Belarus! Pops up! No good. Mr. M for the rebound to Barantes. Barantes, nagmamadali. Kalilong, kinaliwa pa. Pasok. Kalilong, 2 points. 12-9. 3-point lead na po. Being built up now by the Airport United boys. It's a foul called. And also para sa basket made. Continuation given by the referee to Mr. Pilao, 24. Pilao, number 24, shooting for the bonus free throw. Chance to tie again the ball game between Contact Center and Airport United. Pilao, bonus free throw. Pops up. It's out. Rebound. Roy, no good. And still, sinipa up. Bawal ang suntok daw. Suntok is not allowed. Okay, change spread na po tayo. Okay, second line na po. Tinatawagan na po. Si Airport United po is mananatili po. Si Mr. M, si Eric at si Barantes. Papasok lang po si number 11 at si Melvin. Sa kabila na po yan, si Natunako pumasok na rin. Si Oronce papasok na rin. Si number 11. Si number 10, Riquelman, at si number 20. Okay. Okay, correction. Labas muna po. Malabas muna rin siya. Labas muna si number 14. Bahala mo si Kalilong. Si number 11 niya, magkakaroon pa na siya ng center post ngayon. 12-11 ang score po natin. And si Soliano, pinasok na rin muna para Kalilong. I think yung gumawa nila yung barangay rules po dito. They have a chance to choose the player each quarter po. Kaya ano, Tunakaw, 2 points Tunakaw. Tunakaw, 2 points. 12-13, paid the wish at Tunakaw. Pasok po yan. Barantes, pops up for air 2, no good. Rebound by Riquelman. And now, naiwan pa mag-isa, dukot sa ilalim, wala. Eric na rebound. Okay, Eric completed the steal. Barantes, number 11. Uy, malakas ang tira, sayang. Number 11, shooting for 2. That's Ilaw. Oh, sabi rito pala, Alfie Ilaw, nanonood na ako, anak. Ah, tatay niya malamang. Agents is also watching. Ilaw. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Okay, Ilaw, second shot, pops up. It's in. 14-13. Siso batter po tayo yun sa ating first quarter action. Number 20. Yan. Rekilman. Tunakaw. Melvin binabantas Tunakaw. Melvin Tunakaw. Again, Melvin binabantas number 20. Number 20. Number 20 driving strong. No, still completed. Melvin. It's a foot race. Melvin. Nag-aantay. Matangad sa matangad. Barantes, what a play! Hindi lang pumasok para naglakad si Ere. And now si number 11, Pareño. Naipit, nilabas muna. Pops up for 3. Kapos. Eric na rebound. Eric binabantay Ronce now kay Soliano binabantayan. And now, eto na, nanakaw siya. Still completed, pero double dribble si number 20. Balik muli po sa Airport United ng bola. Ilaw, binabati ka ng nanay mo yata. Alfie yata. Alfie Ilaw, papa mo yata to. Okay, Ilaw. Hoop shot ni Ilaw, no good. Muntik na. Soliano, wala. Didn't go the bounce. Pareño, naipit ang konti. Oronce for 3. Yes, no. No good. Ilaw, 11. Eric, long jumper, 2 points. Nothing but net. Sabi rito ni Alan Ilaw, shoutout sa anak ko, si Vince Ilaw. It's good. Papa pala. Good din po sir. And hoping that you're enjoying the ball game po this sa gabing ito. Rekilman for long 3. No good. Number 14. Number 11. Pareño. Long jumper. No good. Nandun si Mr. Barantes. Nakuha ni Tunakaw ang bola. Tunakaw. Inano muna kay Mr. Bumanlang. Thinking 3. Ayaw muna niya. Kick pass kay Oronce. Cross court kay number 12. Rekilman for 3. 3 points lang. And it's a timeout called now by Airport United. Tablados tayo sa 16. Shoutout po yan po. Sabi po kay Alfie Ilaw. Shoutout po sa aking anak na si Vince Ilaw. We'll just wait now. This is now for the placing this game now is already for placing already. If somebody wins it, they will advance 1 level higher. Of course, sa loser, they will downgrade to 1 level lower. Okay, 2 minutes 7 remaining sa ating first quarter action pa lang ito. Kumpirmado na. Okay, happy Eid po sa inyo lahat. It's confirmed already. Eid Mubarak po sa ating po lahat. Sa ating mga kapatid at mga Muslim, Eid Mubarak po. Barantes. Nadera. Bang! Nadera, 2 points. Yung kanilang typical na boarding bank shot ni Nadera, pumapasok na. Pareño, foul! Matibay ang kaan ni Melvin. Melvin called for a blocking foul. Rekilman for the inbound. Inbound po ito si Rekilman. Pareño. Pare kay Rekilman. Rekilman for 3. Bang! Back-to-back field goals. Back-to-back 3 points ang pinakawalan po ni Mr. Rekilman. Rekilman, back-to-back field goals po. Eric. Bang! 3 points also po Mr. Eric. Umuulan po ng mga 3 points po dito ngayon. Ika pa sa in the old PBA sa tabo siya mga ICBM. Bumanlang, sidestep, Oronce, foul! Called on Soliano. Oronce shooting for 2. Dati ang sa PBA, ang tawag dyan sa 3-point o long bomb is ICBM. Ang tawag nila dyan. O yung intercontinental ballistic missile dati. Pero siya nagkapalit-palit na po, nagbago na, kaya long bomb na lang or long 3. Or ano, or rainbow shot, yung mga gano'n yan. Okay. Oronce, second throw, jumper straight, just to tie the ball game. At 21 all. Esin, okay, tablanos na naman tayo. Another deadlock again sa gabing ito. First game pa lang yan, umate ka muna. Paano natin second game niya? Malalaman natin yan. After this first game, Eric, some traffic po, Soliano, floater shot, no good. Rebound by Lekirman. Buman lang, not chance na to eat. Nope. One more time. Yun. Sayang. Chance and now to rest again the lead from Airport United. Oronce shooting for 2. 46 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter action. It's out. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Second shot, jumpers ready. Oronce, second throw. It's pops up. It's in. Okay, 21-22. Barantes. Eric Barantes. Soliano, quick pass to Ilaw. 2 points by Ilaw. 2 points. 28 seconds remaining. 23-22. Laman lang isa muli pang Airport United. Pareño. Reckelman for 3. Bang! Reckelman 3 points. Back to back 3 points sa pinapakalmi sa Reckelman. Walang foul. 5 seconds. Pareño. No good. And it's 23-25. First quarter is drawn to close. Back to back 3 points ang pinakuha ng Mr. Rekilman. Parang talagang gustong manalo ng team contact center talaga ngayon. Both teams want to win because it's only for for placing po ito. If they win, the winner will go one level higher. Of course, the loser will go one level lower po. And Pase this team will just match up also in the quarterfinals. Okay, now bola po ngayon na contact center, maroon ball. Okay, second quarter action. Yan po si number 3, si Egok, si Roy, nandiyan na, si Baredo, si Oronce, at si Ansul. Kabila naman, Ansos rather, sorry. Eric naman, si Melvin, si Mr. M, si Ilaw, at si Kalilong. Roy. 2 points, Roy. Roy over number 14. Kalilong. Mr. M for 3. No good. Eric again. Long 2. Bang! 2 points, Eric. 2 points, Eric. Egok. 9 minutes 29 remaining. Egok. Foul. Who's foul? Rep. Number 11 called for the foul. Blocking foul. Egok shooting for 2. Egok bumangga sa pader. Nope. Side throw lang pala, sabi ng referee. Oh, what happened? Side throw, Roy. Egok. 25-27, laman ng dalawang contact center. Nice pass to Ansus. 2 points. Ansus, 2 points. Kalilong. Yan. Mr. M for 3. No good. Melvin, hustle play, it's good. Again, one more time. Bang! Mr. M for 3 again. M for 3 again. Si Patroy Lanchong is already watching also. It's check. Nice pushing now. Again. Lost the ball from behind. Tap from behind by Barredo. 28-29. Barredo, 2 points. Again, malamang muli ng tatlo muli ang team contact center. Kalilong. Kalilong driving strong. Now to Mr. Kalilong again. Kalilong, Mr. M number 3. Bang! Para nagdala yata ng typhoon system ang ang Team Airport United ngayon. Sa kabila naman, meron ding sila ng kabila naman. Yung Bramos. Nice rebound by Roy. No good. And Kalilong, it's a foul called. Foul called on Barredo. Calling second game po. Calling second game po natin. QR Towers and Gas. Sana po kayo. Pumunta na po kayo dito. Maraming salamat po. Second quarter na po kasi. May isa na rito. Isa pa na lang. Okay. May isa na rito taga-QR Tower. Kalilong naman. Tumira. Wala. Good ball. Same ball. Nice brainy play ni number 14 ng Airport United. Same ball ngayon tayo. Same ball. Nag-cut. And one play sana. Number 14 shooting for 2. Number 14 shooting for 2. First shot. It's out. Second throw. Jumpers ready. 31 all po tayo. After 3 minutes almost, 31 all po tayo ngayon. 31 all po tayo. Mr. M, second shot. Jumpers ready. It's in. 32-31. Roy for the inbound to Egok. Pilao against Eric. Against Kalilong. Pops up for 3. Offline. Eric. Nadera. No good. One more time. Eric. 2 points, Eric. 34-31. Nadera. Inilisutan ni Egok. Egok driving strong. Pilao. 2 points, Pilao. Off the hands of Mr. 14. Kalilong. 34-33. Masbang. Ayun, kumat si Eric. And one play pa. And one play also for Mr. Eric. It's good. Eric shooting for 2. Eric shooting for bonus free throw rather. Eric pops up. It's in. 37-33. Laman na po ng 4 muli po ang Airport United. At 6 minutes 57 mark po ng second quarter action. Okay po tayo. Egok. Pilao thinking 3. Wag muna ra. May nagbabantay kasi. Nakuha ng pick. Again for 3. No good. Nice save. Now napunta kay Nadera. Nadera lost the ball. Balik muli pa sa muro ng bola. Nice try, Nadera. Nice try. Nadera, good hustle sana pero lost the ball po. Again, balik mo sa effort sa contact center ng bola. Marumbol ka. Egok na, nagbababa ng bola. And Barredo running shot. No good. Rebound, one by Kalilong. One more time. Ito na naman. Kalilong binababa ng bola. Kalilong. Kay Melvin. 2 points, Melvin. Typical layup niya. Running layup ni Melvin. Pasok. Marami nang pang-release si Melvin yun. Inan muna to Barredo for 3. No good. Kalilong to Ilaw to Melvin. Ilaw. Desho pass to Eric. It's good. 2 points. It's 41-33. An 8-point lead now been posted already by Team Airport United. Pilao. Tap. Ed now stop and pop. Hustle play. Nakuha pa rin po ng contact center. No good. Rebound by number 14. Ilaw. Melvin. Foul by Egok. Okay, palit player na po tayo yun. Palit player na naman. Second players po, second lineup po, papasok na naman for sure. Same din yan, si Oronce, si Reckelman, si Tunakaw, si Bacchiano at si Pareño. Sa contact center po yan. Kabila naman, of course, si Barantes, si Kalilong. Wala nang pili, wala nang pili. Okay na. Mr. M. Quick turn around shot. No good. Reckelman. Now to Bacchiano. Pareño. Pops up. No good. Rebound to Soliano. Soliano. Hounded by red shirts. Barantes. Barantes. Malakas. Pareño. Bacchiano. 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 Nakuha ni Soliano ang bola. Soliano, still ba Soliano? Barantes. Barantes. Wala pa rin. Nice. Wala pa rin po again. Now to Tunakaw. Si Tunakaw nag-drive ng bola. Tunakaw. Tunakaw for 3. Kapos. Kalilong. Kalilong ngayon sa Kalilong. Kalilong binababa ang bola. Kalilong now to Mr. M. M. Easy to by Mr. M. Okay, now to Mr. Pareño. Pareño, 4 minutes 11 remaining. Pareño almost had lost the ball. Pops up, no good. Rebound, up si Daisy. Huwag mo sisipain yan, boss. Baka ma-technical ka. Same ball. Tunakaw. Boarding, no good. Reckelman. Nope, it's Soliano. Soliano. Barantes, Barantes, easy, and one play pang ginawa niya. Eurostep is on the move. Eurostep is on the move. Barantes for bonus free throw. 45-30, don't look now. It's a 12-point lead already. Been posted now by Airport United over contact center. Troy Lombong is watching also. Barantes pops up. Nope. Okay, balik muli po tayo sa larong ito. Now, si Pareño may nagbababa ng bola. Pareño. Pareño. Reckelman for 3 again. Kapos. One more time. What a save. And still save completed. Pareño pops up. Easy 2 points. Kalilong. Kalilong. Barantes for 3. Bang! Barantes on fire right now. Now, Bacchiano. Bacchiano binababa ang ball to Pareño. Pareño, turn around, pops up, easy 2, no good. One more time, save. Nakuha ni Reckelman. Malakas ang pasa kay Bacchiano. Pareño. Reckelman for 3. Kapos. Soliano. Ilaw. Oy! Same ball. Timeout called by contact center. The score is 48-35. Laman po ng 13 ang Airport United at 2 minutes 34 remaining sa ating second quarter action. This game is brought to you by the following sponsors: Team LBC, Hari ng Padala, and Thread and Needles. And of course, sama na po natin dyan po ang SBB Doha for keeping the game in a neat and orderly fashion, and also PSBQ Basketball League. Ang liga naman sikat dito sa Qatar. Abel po sa kanilang papawis po yan. Every Tuesday night po yan from 10 p.m. to 12 midnight sa Pearling Season International School in Doha sa Mansura po yan. Ilaw. Mr. M. Malakas. Pareño. Tunakaw 23. Bacchiano. No good. Rebound by Tunakaw, no good. Swipe away, pero save ball. What a swipe by Ilaw. Tunakaw for the inbound. Baquiano. Pareño. Driving strong. Pops up. 2 points. Pareño 2 points. 48-37. 11 points pa rin pong kalamangan ng Airport United. Okay, Errol Tito is watching. Troy Lumbong is watching also. Nakuha. Baquiano again. Malakas. Almost. Kalilong for 3. No good. Rebound by Riquelman. Riquelman to Pareño. 1 minute 35 remaining. Pareño. Tunakaw. And 1 play pa ang ginawa ni Tunakaw, 2 points plus bonus free throw. Tunakaw, bonus free throw coming up. Per shot. Kapos. Nakuha ni Ilaw ang bola. Ilaw to Kalilong. Barantes, floater shot, no good. Rebound ni Riquelman. Pareño, binabantayan. Ni Ilaw, Pareño. 2 points. Back-to-back field goal si Pareño also. Being registered. 48-41 from the height of 12. Now becomes 7. 7 points. Kalilong. Nice pasa ni Soliano pero check po. Na-check ang pasa ni Soliano doon. Sa ika nga sabi ng mga kitang-kita yung pasa. Balik muli po tayo yun si Mr. Riquelman for the inbound. Riquelman. Now to Mr. Baquiano. Pareño. Binabantayan. Kick pass kay Riquelman for 3. Bang! Don't look now. Again, a 4-point na lang mo. 4 point na lang ang being enjoyed by Team Airport United. Nice kick pass to Ilaw. Ilaw malakas. No good. Tunakaw. Nice swipe. Wala na. Okay, that's it. Rafael Tabile, sir. Ano na po, sir? Magta third quarter na po. Maganda, pumunta na po kayo dito. Third quarter na po, sir. Magta third quarter na. Half time po lang po ngayon. Maraming salamat po. Lalaban tayo bukas. Dapat tayo bukas. Sir, Papa mo, nanonood ha?
Shout out.
Papa mo.
Shout out ko dito eh.
Okay, change court po tayo ngayon. Now it's white ball playing. Red guys guarding. Third quarter action on the way. Kalilong inbound to Barantes. Barantes to Kalilong. Kalilong driving strong. Malakas. Tunakaw, huwag mo na raw. Sabi, di mo na raw. And now to Pilao for 3. Palpal. Melvin on a foot race. Melvin! Kapos. Bumanlang. Bumanlang. Pareño. Easy 2. Pareño, 2 points. 48, 46 na lang. 9 minutes 21 remaining. 2-point advantage po ang Team Airport United. Barantes. Strong attack. No good. Chance na to tayo against the ball game. Or possible 3-point pa parang makuha niya kalamangan. Roy. No good. Walang rebound. Good ball. Same ball. And namin sa Pilao. Pops number 3. No good. Out of bounds. Balik muli po tayo sa Team Puti or Airport natin ng bola. Airport natin pong bola. Kalilong. Binabantayan. 48-46 ang score. Mr. M. Eric for 3. It's out. Pilao. Again, on the fast break, on the attack now is the red shirts. Pilao. Kapos. Eric. Almost lost the ball. Hassel. What happened? Holding foul number 11. Barantes. Ilaw. Melvin, malakas ang pasa. 7 minutes 48 remaining. Okay, quality game po para kay number 20. Kay Bumanlang, Belarus pumasok muna. Belarus. Pareño. Pilao, head, top shot. One more time, another top shot by Pilao. Rebound by Eric. Ayan, kay Melvin naman. 2 points Melvin. Marami ng pang-resist ng Melvin. Okay, now, Belarus. Pilao for 3. Bang! 50-49. They still bites. Melvin lost the ball. Okay, balik muli po sa pulang bola. Chance na to take again the lead. Pilao. Nope, it's Baredo for 3. Nope. Melvin, secure the ball. To Barantes. Malakas pero may foul. Barantes called for the Baredo called for the foul. Barantes shooting for 2. The score is 50-49. Isa lang po ang kalamangan ng Airport United. At 6 minutes 42 remaining sa ating quarter na to. Barantes first shot. The lefty. It's in. Second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw. Jumpers ready po tayo para kami sa Barantes. Second shot. Nope. Okay, go to the point guard now. Okay na kay Belarus. Belarus na binababa po ngayon ang bola to Pareño. 2 points Pareño. Easy shot. Perimeter shot. Shooting Pareño is in. A check for Mr. Pareño. To Barantes again. Barantes. And one play naman ginawa ni Barantes. Again, a foul called on Baredo. Barantes shooting for the bonus free throw. Chance again to extend the lead up to 3 points. Ouch. Okay, Baredo labas muna para kay Oronce. Barantes shooting for the bonus free throw. Barantes pops up. Wala. It's out. Oron. Pilao, binigay mo na kay Belarus ang bola. Belarus. Palpal. Nice. Op. Melvin. 2 points, Melvin. Yung kanyang typical na bit shot ni Melvin. Papasok. Alex Roldan is watching. Sir, nagabisi, sir. Pareño. Driving. Pilao. Difficult shot. It's good. Kalilong. Kick pass again kay Melvin. Nakuha ni Pareño yung bola. 55-53 yung score. Dalawa lang kalamangan. Chance to tie the ball game. Baredo. Pilao for 3. Nope. And one play kay Pareño. Tabla. 55 all. Pareño. It's in. Chance na to get the lead now over Port United. Pareño, it's in. 56-55, lamang na naman po ang team contact center at 5 minutes 13 remaining sa ating third quarter action. Eric for 3. Bang! Binawi kagad ni Eric ang bola. Ang kalamangan 58-56. 5 minutes 1 remaining. Belarus. Hoy! Pushing foul, Eric. Eric called for the push. Oronce for the inbound. Belarus. Malakas. Bakiano naka-rebound. Roy. 2 points, Roy. Tabla. 58 all. Side step ni Roy. Pumapasok ngayon. Ilaw. Eric, malakas ang pasa mula kay Ilaw. Kisher Bakuli Akain is watching also. Good evening po, sir. Okay, 4 minutes 20 remaining. 58 all po tayo. Port United has just to survive this quarter. Then they can have it on the fourth quarter, or else the fresh legs of the red shirts can overcome them. Marami silang legs kasi, marami silang player. Ang Port United po only 7 people lang. 7 personnel lang. 4 minutes 29 remaining. Red ball. Pareño. 58 all. Pareño nagdadala ng bola. Pareño, knock it. Egok, nakalusot si Egok, nakuha, swiped away. Kalilong to Melvin, to Eric again. Eric for 3, nope. To Melvin. Ay! Ano yun? Block! Nagulat ako na. Number 11. Eric for 3. Nope. Nakuha ni Barantes ang bola. Barantes. Kalilong. Size. Ayun, kay Ilaw. 2 points Ilaw. Nice shot by Ilaw. Quick to po yung ginawa nila. 3 minutes 34 remaining. First, third quarter action. Pareño. It's a foul called. Pareño shooting for 2, just to tie the ball game. First shot. Bang! Bang! Okay, pasok. It's in. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Nope. Roy! No good. Another chance again for the red shirts. Pareño. No good. Ano yun? Isa pa. No good pa rin. Pareño. 2 points pa rin dyan sa wakas. 60-61. Foul. Egok. 60-61. Lamang na naman po ang team contact center. The red shirts is in. Barantes. Binabantayan. Nakuha ng pick. Barantes. Ilaw. Kalilong. Palpal. Pero may foul. Who's foul rep? Number 11 called for the foul. Kalilong shooting for 2. Pops up. It's in. Tabla. Second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. Kalilong. Second throw. Jumpers ready. Kalilong second free throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. It's out. Tabla. Pareño. Pareño against Eric. Against Melvin. Pareño nakalusot. Pareño running shot. No good. Rebound one. It's out. Uy. Good ball. Roy. 2 points, Roy. Okay, lamang na naman muli po ang contact center na naman. Ilaw nakalusot. Ilaw naipit. Ilaw shooting for 2 for sure. Ilaw, first shot. It's out. Ilaw, second throw. Jumpers ready. Ilaw, second free throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. It's out, both. Barantes. Eric. No, it's Kalilong. No good. Ilaw. One more time. No good pa rin. Nakuha ni Ego ang bola. Chance. Pareño. No good. One more time. White ball, sabi ng referee. It's white. A minute and 59 remaining. Third quarter action. Bidzig. Third quarter actions on the way. Number is 17, Kalilong. Ito naman si Mr. Barantes. Sa bound. Down. Penalty situation. Wala pa. Side throw. Melvin for the inbound. Barantes going strong to Eric. Eric tayo umisa. Kapos. Orons Ansul. Egok. And one play pa ang ginawa ni Egok. Yung kanilang baby tank. Si Egok the baby tank. Pumasok na. Yung kanilang baby tank. Egok the baby tank is in. It's counted. 61-65. Lamang na po ng 4 na naman ang contact center. Okay, Rick Ilman pinasok na rin. Nagpasok ng shooter po ang contact center at hinandaan na yung mga player po para sa fourth quarter action. Yung kanilang mga key players po. Egok no good. Barantes kumabili. Barantes no good. Kapos. Bacchiano. Tunakaw. Tap. Barantes. 2 points Barantes. A minute and 6 remaining. 66-65. Rekilman. Egok. 55 seconds remaining. Bacchiano, binato na lang. Nakuha ni Soliano, Pis Rekilman. Nope. Rebound by Bacchiano. 2 points, Ansul. Ansus, 2 points. 63-67. Eric. Novitz Barantes. Barantes na naman. And 1 play pambiligay. Barantes as a must-win, must-take shot po ito. 65-67 to keep them in striking distance. Papuntang fourth quarter action ang Airport United. Barantes pops up. It's out. Rebound one, pero kanino? White ball. 25 seconds remaining. Kalilong. Barantes. Take the shot. Nope. Egok naka-rebound. You can baby tank. Egok. 2 points Egok. 6 seconds. Wala na. 65-69. Going to the fourth quarter action. Si Egok, yung kanilang baby tank, gumagana ngayon. Egok, the baby tank. Coming right up is the fourth and final quarter. Laman po ng 4 ang contact center over Airport United, 65-69. Okay, fourth quarter action start. Barredo for the inbound. To Pilao. Quality ball game and Pareño. It's a quality game po sa Mr. Pareño. Roy. 2 points Roy. Extended to 6 points ang kalamangang inilaro ng contact center. Barantes. Eric, foul called, take 2. Foul from behind. SG Eric. First shot. Wala pala siya sa loob, no? First shot ni Eric. It's out. Second throw, jumpers ready. Quality game po ni Mr. Pareño sa third quarter action. Second shot, kapos! Rebound by Roy. Kick pass kay Pilao. 2-on-2, Pilao! And 1 play pa ang ginawa. Pilao shooting for 2. (65-73) chance to extend the lead up to 9 points. Take the shot. It's out. Roy to Kalilong. Secure the ball. No good. Roy. 2 points Roy. Okay, lamang na po ng 10 ang contact center. Barantes. Eric. Kapos. One more time. Soliano. Red ball. Thank you po sa ating mga loyal viewers po right now. Maraming salamat po. Si Scott, nanonood din pala. Pilao. Barantes. Pareño. 3-second violation ang tinawag. 3-second violation, tinawag. Okay, now ito po ngayon. Kalilong, Barantes, Soliano, Barantes na naman. Barantes, Kalilong for 3. Nope, another chance to Barantes. Barantes, shake and fake. 2 points, Barantes. Barantes, dito na binubuot din nila ang kanilang team. Sa third quarter, all points, almost na ang ginawa ni Barantes. Pilao for 3. Bang! 3 points Pilao. Barantes. No foul. Bola yun. 3-on-1 situation. Roy! 2 points Roy. Timeout called by Contact Center. By Airport United. Sorry.
Same pa rin ako.
Ito rin. Yung Adil Martin. Same pa rin po. Same pa rin. Walang di nagbabago. Same pa rin. 67-80. Labag ng 13 ang Contact Center. What I told before, if Contact Center win, they will go 1 level higher. And of course, the loser will go 1 level lower. Yan pang Airport United. If that scenario was met. Or else, if Contact Center lost, or let's say, Airport wins, of course, they will secure as possibly number 3 spot coming to the quarterfinals. Yan ang nakataya po dito ngayon. Barantes. Kalilong. Barantes. Driving. Ilaw. Tap. Nope. Nakuha. Foul. Oronce going. Nice secure by Oronce. Roy. From down to Baredo. Pilao. Nope. Rebound by one by Oronce. Roy. No good. Oy, si Pilao ang tumapos. Tinapos si Pilao ang play na yun. Eric driving. Ilaw. Foul. Ilaw will go to the line. 67-82. Labang ng 15 na po ang team Contact Center. 6 minutes 45 remaining. Ilaw, kapos. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Ilaw, second throw, jumpers ready. Pops up. It's out. Nakuha ni Barantes ang bola. Barantes for 3. Nope. Ilaw. 2 points Ilaw. 69-82. 11 ang kalamangan. 11. Pareño, naka-recover muli. Baredo, pinasa kay Pilao. Pilao for 3. Bang! 69-85 at 16-point lead. Been posted now again by contact center. Tatlo pala yun. Melvin. Dalawa sila. Eric, thinking 3. Wag muna raw. Binabantayan. Eric, thinking 3. Nope, it's 3. Nope. Substitution made now. Sino po? Baredo. Labas muna. Quality minutes kami si Baredo. Para kay number 20. Bumanlang. Okay, si Oronce labas muna. Quality minutes kay Oronce. Para kay Riquelman. Nagpasok na ng Birador po. Ang contact center. Birador sa labas. Nagpasok na sila. Ayun na. Riquelman. Bang! Another shot by Riquelman. 69-88. A 19-point lead yung posted. Down. 19 lead. Ang kalamangan na po ng contact center. Nadera, inbounding. Ilaw. Eric for 3. Malakas. Pilaw, naiyo mag-isa. Pilaw. Side step move. Nope. Kalilong naka-rebound. Melvin, nope. One more time. Melvin lang, secure the ball. One more time. And now to Eric. Barantes, side step move. 2 points Barantes. Pumasok siya. Pilaw, nope. Melvin, 2 points Melvin. And it's a timeout. Timeout called by contact center. Woo! 4 minutes 8 remaining. 73-88. A 15-point lead advantage ng team contact center. May binabantayan maigi. Oy! Backing violation. Nice stop by Melvin. Nadera for the inbound. Nadera for the inbound. Ilaw to Nadera. Nadera! 2 points Nadera. Back-to-back field goals si Nadera. 75. No, it's 77-88 yan. Riquelman. Palpal. Still completed. Melvin. Hindi na sa long bola. 3 minutes 28 remaining. Timeout again called by contact center. Pumasok yan. Christian Mendoza is watching. Akain is also watching already also. Still watching. Okay, balik na. Back to Lubog yung muli po tayo. 75-88. 13 ang kalamangan na lang ng contact center. Pilaw, binabatean ni Barantes. Pilaw, nope. Roy, nope. Labas muna, Pareño, to Roy. Foul! Melvin called for a foul. Roy for the inbound, 3 minutes 8 remaining. Fourth quarter action. Roy for 2. Nope. Eric. Halilong. Barantes. Sige, mama the left ka, Barantes, Melvin, bang! 2 points, Melvin. 70-80, 11 na po kalamangan yan. Sige, pwede pa yan, Matt. Pwede pa, it's a possible still. They need the necessary stop po para sa Airport United. Pareño, fade away shot, no good. Caliro naka-rebound. Barantes again. Barantes, foul sa baba. Di pa yata. Number 11, inbounding. Kay Ilaw. Eric for 3. Traveling violation called. Sayang. Natshoot pa yung yung bola. Kaya pa. They need to do the necessary stops now for Airport United to win the ball game. Or else contact center will easily go. Roy, 2 points, Roy. Will easily go to the quarterfinals at one level higher. Barantes. Eric for 3. Nope. Rebound battle won again by Egok. Pareño. Wala na. Pareño, number 11. Egok, the baby tank. Pareño. A minute and 39 remaining. Pareño driving. And to Egok. Roy. Egok again. Egok shooting for 2. Brian Dwight is watching. Bababa kayo, pre. Bababa kayo. Pareño. 1 minute 20 remaining. Pareño. Now to Belarus. Nope. Nandun si Pilaw pa rin. Nope. Barantes to Melvin. Barantes, pinasa pa. Substitution made na Pilaw. 40 minutes kay Pilaw. Para kay Mr. Bumanlang. 56 seconds. Belarus. Pareño. Ayun, Egok, touch pass kay Ansus rather. 37 seconds. Ilaw. Number 4 called for a foul. Ilaw shooting for 2. 32 seconds remaining. Ilaw, first shot. 2 points. Stepping violation. Ito na, number 11 again. Kalilong for 3. Nope. Okay, that's it, I think. Out of bounds. Six seconds. Oh, let go na. Eric again for 3. That's it. Okay, congratulations. Winning the ball game at score of 80-91. 11 points po yan. Team Contact Center. The Red Boys po won it. Winner po, the Red Boys or the Maroon Boys po yan. Mga Marooners po. Contact Center. Okay, ito pong Contact Center ngayon. Family picture po, family picture. Family picture po, family picture. Teka naman. Group photo. Group photo, coach. Group photo, please. Group photo.
Hindi sila muna, tapos
Sige.
balance ha.
Paki-balance po, tsaka wag i-block yung score. Compress po ko ng konti, please. Compress. Thank you. Okay, ito po ang The Red Boys. Winner. 80-91, Contact Center. Okay, with your coach also.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. Congratulations, Contact Center. Sino po? Okay, Roy. You're big man.
You will be interviewed, ha?
You're big man.
A little bit.
Papasok sila, posible number 4. Angat. Okay, Mr. Roy. Let me first adjust the camera. Mr. You're a little taller. Okay, Mr. Roy, congratulations for Mr. Roy.
Thank you so much.
For winner. Also POG of the game po. Sir, how you feel, sir, about this game?
This is an important game because after this we have a knockout game, right? So,
Yes, for sure. It's a best thing you won.
Yeah, so this was a must win for us because luckily on today we have all the players on board.
Yeah, of course.
So it was a good game and the opponent team, they were amazing. They played really good.
Okay.
Only thing was they were having a less player, otherwise they would have given a tough call to us.
Okay, good. Okay, now, okay, give one to shout out everybody, your family, your friends, and everything, sir. Shout out, sir. You can greet them. Give you 1 minute to greet them all. Your loved ones, your fans, your
Want me
supporters.
to say that? Or
You have to say. Your big greens, your mom, your dad. Okay. Okay,
Right,
Roy.
so I want to cheer first of all to my team,
Okay, thank you.
my family, and the God today. Right.
Okay.
Tomorrow is the Eid.
Hey, guys, just holiday already. Confirm.
Ramadan is
Over.
a good time and
Okay.
it was a good game. I shout out to my family,
Okay.
especially the organized team.
Okay.
It was a good one.
Okay.
Cheers to everyone, guys. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you po.
Shout out for you guys, man. Oh God.
Also, teka lang, Regalman, halika rito. Regalman, ikaw rin, birador ka rin eh. Ikaw ang isang instrumento rito. Ano masasabi mo, sir?
Sir,
Hindi, pre, hindi pwedeng, sir, nabibigla ka. Binibilang ko 3 points, so sunod-sunod yun.
teamwork lang, sir.
Okay.
Nakakalibre lang kami.
Okay, alam mo ba? How do you feel po for sure? Tataas kayo ng isang rank na ngayon. Tinalo nyo yun eh, yung
Maganda po sa feeling, sir, kung makangat-angat pa.
Oh, sige. Any word po kung sino mga kalaban nyo sa, sa quarterfinals? For
Baka
sure.
sila din, sir.
Okay. Sige, again, congratulations po sa recruitment. Also, again po, maraming salamat po. Thank you.
Sino pa?
Yung pilaw, nasa sa pilaw?
interview?
Try ko. Yung pilaw. Thank you, Mr. Roy. Good night. Congratulations also. Congratulations. Thank you. Oh, Ansul. How about you, Ansul? Okay, Ansul. Ansus.
Ansus, Andre Ansul.
Ansus. Okay, halika rito. Internet. Lumapit ka na rito eh. Halika rito.
sa kapamilya ko dyan.
Hindi, Ansus, ikaw nag-instrumento ka rin sa payo. Yung mga rebounds mo kanina. Sige, ano masabi din, sir?
Okay lang, sir. Teamwork lang din.
Okay. Eh, kayo yung child walk, yung baby tank ninyo.
Keep clear.
Okay. Sige, salamat po. Ansul. Ansus. Thank you, Mr. Ansus. Sige po. Okay. Oy! Ginagawa mo dito. Ha? Okay, after this, maraming salamat pumili po. Again, congratulations po sa Team Contact Center for winning the game. 11 point lead po yan. And with maraming salamat po sila po. And coming up next po is, of course, ang QR Towers versus Gaswork General Aviation Services. Maraming salamat po and goodbye.